Earphones are something we all use daily: music, movies, calls, and even gaming. But when you step into the world of IEM, things can get confusing really fast. Suddenly, there are so many models, so many features, and people throwing around terms like soundstage, imaging, and driver types. For a beginner, it's a lot to take in. That's exactly why I wanted to make this video. I picked out 6 beginner friendly IEMs and tested them across everything: music, movies, and yes, even gaming, to see which one's actually worth your money. I'll keep it simple: build quality, comfort, bass, mids, treble, and how they perform while gaming. And by the end, you will exactly know which IEM fits your style the best. Thanks to Concept Card for sending this for review. Hi, I am Abhijit and you're watching TechNutso. So let's start with the first one, the Audiocular BR Pro with Type-C plug. The packaging is basic and compact with the design of the IEM printed on the front. On the back there are specs printed, that's it. Inside is a tray containing the IEM, extra ear tips, and a manual. One thing about IEMs is that they are designed to be deep inside your ear canal and the fit should be snug in order to get the best possible output. So, select the ear tips which fit perfectly in your ear canals. These Audiocular BR Pro are made up of a resin shell and have a see-through design which definitely looks cool. There are right and left indicators on the wire to guide you. These come with USB-C and not the 3.5mm jack, which makes them easily compatible with most phones these days. The cable quality doesn't feel premium, but it uses 4N oxygen-free copper, which is high quality. I have used them for longer durations and did not feel any discomfort. Also, they are very lightweight. It has a one-button controller and it works as desired. Let's talk sound performance. The lows are very punchy and the highs are crisp, and these both together overpower the mids. Although we can enjoy music at a very low volume, the sound doesn't feel as premium since the mids come off a little dim. The bass is thumpy and these Audiocular BR Pro are perfect for bass lovers. I tried everything from Bollywood to pop and even Hollywood tracks. We can even turn up the bass by switching to a specific bass EQ preset, but I didn't feel the need to. Content consumption experience was good. I watched a couple of videos and episodes, but gaming is a total miss on this. I played BGMI and the footsteps sounded muffled, and at the same time the gunshots were loud, so there's no point in increasing the volume.
This is a microphone sample I'm recording from the Audiocular BR Pro. I'm standing in my open terrace of my apartment and yeah, there should be some traffic noise behind me. So let me know how do I sound.
And I think it sounds good enough for calls. Let me know in the comments which one sounds more like you. At this price point of Rs 599, these are a great entry into the IEMs, perfect for bass lovers and casual content consumption, but definitely not for gamers. Next up is the KZ EDX Pro with the 3.5mm connector. The packaging is compact and minimal, featuring the brand logo and product design on the front with specifications on the back. Once we push through, the tray containing the IEMs comes out. The box contents are the IEMs, a cable, extra ear tips, and a warranty card. These look quite similar to the Audiocular BR Pro and are made up of resin too. But the standout is the gold-plated drivers with a transparent design. The fit is comfortable thanks to the lightweight design. The cable quality certainly feels smooth and good quality. This one also has one button controller with an inbuilt microphone. Let's talk sound performance. The low end is weak on this, but the mids are rich and the highs are crisp. I tweaked the EQ and the EDX Pro could easily provide me with a good enough bass output while keeping the mids and highs balanced. So it can provide bass if needed while keeping the signature sound, and this kinda impressed me. The lows feel a bit weak out of the box, so I definitely recommend using an EQ preset to boost the low end. Content consumption experience was good enough. The dialogues were clear with the background music not overpowering them. I enjoyed BGMI with these. Footsteps were clear and accurate, and so were the gunshot directions. You can definitely game with the KZ EDX Pro. The KZ EDX Pro costs Rs 1149 rupees, and those who prefer flat like signature sound and not too bass can definitely pick these up. And for bass lovers, the EQ presets will provide the thumpy output. Next up, we have the Roseselsa Photon Pro. The packaging is compact, similar to most of the IEMs, with the design of the earphones printed on the front. We have to pull the tray to unbox and we get a manual, the IEMs, a detachable cable with a 3.5mm connector, a cable clip and 4 extra ear tips. These are made up of CNC machined aerospace grade aluminum shells. They are very lightweight and tiny, but don't let the small size fool you. These get surprisingly loud and detailed. Also, I can say that these are the most comfortable on this list while still not compromising a bit on the sound. The top half of the cable feels rubbery and the bottom half is braided. Let's talk sound performance. The lows are clean, the mids are rich, and highs are clear. The sound stage is wide and the music is very enjoyable. I have heard new instruments which I haven't before. I tried an EQ preset for more bass and it certainly did deliver. So we can tweak the EQ to get more bassy output. Content consumption experience has been very good. Dialogues are crystal clear and it offers an immersive experience. I played BGMI with these and the gunshot directions were accurate and the footsteps were clearly audible, making it a good gaming experience. The Roseselsa Photon Pro comes with a microphone and a 3-button controller to play, pause music and also to control volume.
This is a microphone sample I'm recording from the mic of the Roseselsa Photon Pro IEM. I'm in my open terrace of my apartment and there should be some traffic noise behind me, so let me know how do I sound.
The mic seems good enough for calls. Pricing is Rs 1429 rupees. Next up are the Audiocular into KZ Castor Pro X IEM. We get the same slide up unboxing system. After we slide the tray up, we see the IEMs. They look premium, sleek design, solid build and that metallic finish gives them a high-end feel. The transparent resin backplate shows off the dual 10mm drivers and other components. Looks cool. The ergonomic shape helps them rest naturally in the ear, giving a comfortable and stable fit. I didn't feel any discomfort even during long listening sessions, but the shells are slightly on the larger side, so some people might face comfort issues. The wire is silver plated, which outperforms the standard copper cable as it offers improved signal conductivity. The cable feels high quality and durable. The Castor Pro X comes with memory foam ear tips out of the box, and in the box are the Atmos liquid silicone ear tips. I just love how high grade silicone ear tips fit and feel in the ears. I actually prefer silicone ear tips over the memory foam ones. They look cool too. Let's talk sound performance. Lows are punchier, mids are loud and clear, highs are bright, and I feel at times they overpower the mids. If you want the subwoofer feel, turn on the EQ to increase bass and you will get the home theater feel in your ears. These come with switches on the IEMs, 4 of them to turn on and off to enhance and tune them according to our taste, but I prefer all of them turned off. I tried multiple patterns, but all turned off was perfect for me. I love the sound signature of this Castor Pro X. They sound natural and refined. Music on this was an absolute experience. About the content consumption experience, well, they are on par. The dialogues sound immersive and the background score just adds to it. Just lovely. Gaming on these was a good experience. I scored 15 kills and made it to the top 3 in BGMI. Yeah, the gunshots and footsteps were accurate and I am sure the KZ Castor Pro X can be useful while gaming. These come with a 3-button controller with a built-in microphone.
This is a microphone sample I'm recording from the KZ Castor Pro X and I'm in my open terrace of my apartment and there should be some traffic noise behind me. So yeah, let me know how do I sound.
The mic quality is crystal clear and should be good enough to take calls. Pricing is Rs 1990 rupees. Next up is the Moondrop CHU II DSP. All that anime printed design on the front looks cool and unique actually. The packaging design is also different from all. Not a sliding design but a pull up the top part and there are the shells in a foam slab. The build quality feels solid, durable and looks good too. They are made up of metal and you can definitely feel a bit of weight to them. But they are also tiny and I didn't face any discomfort while using them for longer periods. The cable also has a unique leads braided design. Looks unique and feels high quality. In the box, we get the paperwork, extra ear tips and a black carry pouch with the Moondrop branding. I actually am liking the storage pouch. It makes it easy to carry. Let's talk sound performance. Lows are tight, mids are clean and the highs are bright. It doesn't need any EQ for bass, but if you need extra bass, it definitely adds the punch to the existing sound. The highs are a little bright for my taste, but I can say overall it has a balanced sound signature. This IEM has app support wherein we can download and apply EQ profiles from other users and also can create one for ourselves and share it with the community. Very handy feature, but the app on iOS doesn't detect the IEMs. So we need an Android phone through which we can create a custom EQ preset as per our taste, apply it and be done. The tuning profile gets saved directly on the CHU II's internal chip, which means it will work with iPhones and other devices without the app. Gaming experience on these wasn't as good. Footsteps and gunshots were kind of getting mixed. Although casual gaming can be done, but I personally did not enjoy gaming on the Moondrop CHU II DSP. About the content consumption experience, the dialogues were clear and yeah, it was good. The Moondrop CHU II DSP has a 3-button controller with an inbuilt microphone.
This is a microphone sample. I'm recording from the microphone of the Moondrop CHU II DSP. And yeah, I'm in the same spot, my open terrace. And yeah, there should be some traffic noise beside me. Let me know how do I sound.
And I feel it is good enough for calls. Pricing is rupees 2290 rupees. Next up and the last one on this list is the 7Hz Crinacle Zero II IEM. If you have watched this video until this point in time, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. The packaging has a sliding design with the IEM design printed on the front. The overall front print design looks cool and futuristic to me. After we slide the tray out, there are the IEMs. And I really am fond of this packaging. Inside we get the cable, colorful extra ear tips and some paperwork. The shells are made up of plastic with the metal faceplate and they are lightweight while still being durable. It was a comfortable experience even for longer listening sessions. Let's talk sound performance. Lows are energetic and the bass feels natural. Mids are clear and detailed. And highs are bright but not too much. Just a perfectly balanced sound signature. Love it. I did not feel the need to apply any EQ preset. While watching content, dialogues come through crystal clear and it separates the background score really well. These come with the 3-button controller and an inbuilt microphone.
So this is a microphone sample. I'm recording from the 7Hz Zero to Crinacle IEM. Let me know how do I sound.
It seems good enough for calls. 7Hz Crinacle Zero II has clear footsteps and provides directional gunshots accurately. The sound was perfectly balanced, so they can be used for gaming too. Overall, the 7Hz Crinacle Zero II IEMs are on the top on this list for me. They perform very well, but the cable quality could have been better. Pricing is rupees 2490 rupees. Product links are in the video description. Check them out for detailed specifications. All of these IEMs are ranked by price and performance. The difference in build and audio quality goes up with the price. Also, the term burn-in is a lot of controversy, but it may be true. It means that the sound may change a little bit as you keep using the IEMs. If you are a beginner and don't want to spend much, I say start from the Audiocular BR Pro and climb up from them throughout the list. And if you have already started and are looking for an upgrade, you can check what suits you from the list, as I have reviewed each of them in detail. And beginners, I'd suggest don't go for the top end IEMs at first, as you are just starting out and should enjoy each of them because they are unique. A simple example I'd give you is that don't buy a Hayabusa as your first bike, or you will never appreciate the journey that leads to that kind of power. So here I end my video. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. If you have any tech queries, join the Telegram channel TechNutso and DM me. I'm happy to help. Link in the video description. So see you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.